Welcome to my channel. Are you getting bored? I am also getting bored. So today we will make a craft with supplies which you have at home. So let's begin. White paint, glue, a stick. You can use an old one, a brush and sparkle sheet. Or you can use any sparkle sheet you have. I have golden sparkle sheet, or if you have silver sparkle sheet, you can use that. Paint the stick white. Till the stick dries, you can cut 2 stars from the golden paper or the sheet you have. First, we'll stick the stick. And now we'll glue this other star which we have. Cut a golden paper strip and now we'll glue it on this thing. Little glue and then we will start rolling it. A golden fairy having this wand. So this is the wand I made and this is the wand my mama got for me during Christmas, and it lights up. So I like this more better because this is a golden colored wand. So I have it here. And this I'll have it here. I love to do magic with this wand, but I don't know if magic existed. So have fun making this wand, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.